Hi, my name is Wick Nixon from Wicked Wellbeing, and last week I did a series of healthy lunch videos, and I promised to bring you some more because I had so much fun doing them. So today I'm going to be making some Lemon Bliss Balls. You've probably all heard about the greatness of Bliss Balls, and the standard ones, which I will make on at some stage, but they come with cashew nuts and cacao powder. But a lot of schools are nut free, so it's limiting to be able to send them to school with your kiddos. So these Bliss Balls are nut free, so they're made out of sunflower seeds and sesame seeds. So to start off with, I have got half a cup of sunflower seeds, half a cup of pumpkin seeds, and a cup of coconut. And don't worry about frantically having to write the recipe down. It is on my website, so I'll tell you that at the end. So you put those into the whiz. I've got some soaked medjool dates here. Now, to explain a little bit about medjool dates, they are the larger, the plumper date. They're a lot less sweet than the standard normal date that you can buy at the supermarket. My supermarket stocks them in the bulk foods, but you can buy them at health food stores as well. They've got a little pip inside them, so just pull them apart, take the pip out, and soak them in boiling water, and then they are a lot fresher and softer to work with. If you ever feel like a snack or a sweet treat after lunch or after dinner, just have one of these. They totally satisfy that sugar craving. So we've got 4 of those that we're going to throw into here. We've got a pinch of salt. This is Himalayan sea salt, and about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of vanilla essence. So I am a little bit of a just pour and hope. And then depending on how lemony you like your Bliss Balls to be, I've got the rind and lemon juice of 1 large lemon in here. But you can add more or less depending on what your tastes are. And then finally, I have got a quarter of a cup of coconut oil, which I've just melted here, which I'm going to pour in. So the coconut oil is what makes them set. So it's once you put them in the fridge, they just set beautifully. So I've got an event on tomorrow night which I'm taking these to, which is why I thought I would involve you in making them. So you literally just scrape down the sides. And that's them done. I scrape around the top here to get all the goodness out. And that's them done. So if I take out the blade, and you'll see it's quite a soft texture. I'm having to tippy toe here to get on into the bowl. Quite a soft texture when you scrunch it together. It's really soft and moist, so it forms into a ball. So then you just roll them into the coconut, and they are such a beautiful, just a different variation on like your chocolate cacao powder ones. So at Wicked Wellbeing, I'm all about healthy eating made easy. I just want to show you how quick and easy it is to create some healthy treats, healthy meals to have in the... So if you've got treats that you've got in the fridge that you can call on, then you're not going to make unhealthy choices when you're out. And so you take these with you or when you're at home. So if you want this recipe, head to my website, wickedwellbeing.com, and it's under recipes that you can print out. Enjoy the rest of your day.